I'm Sydney, and we're on location in the library at Centennial Elementary School, where 5th grade students are going in depth with 3D printers. Let's take a look.
We're going to talk about what it is, why we do it.
What students do we have here today in the library?
We have our 5th grade gifted and talented students.
Is this your first time 3D printing anything?
Yes.
How did you hear about the Fab Lab?
Actually, I had 3D printers at the back of my library, and no one on my campus knew how to use them, and so I Googled 3D printers and came up with the Fab Lab at Science Spectrum and got in touch with Lewis Hoops, and from there it's possible.
So we run a range of educational programs. I personally head up the Fabrication Lab, or Fab Lab. With that, we're doing a lot of educational outreach, a lot of creating things, and mainly just giving people an opportunity to make with tools that they might not have in their day-to-day lives. We have a world-class laser cutter, 3D printers, vinyl cutters, and everything you could possibly need to really make something professional, something creative, something.
And what's something that's really exciting about 3D printing?
Well, I get to make an object that I get to bring home, and I'm really into Demon Slayer, so I'm probably going to make Demon Slayer.
Crocs. Or basketball.
Why?
I love basketball.
I'll tell you what I always 3D print is I do 3D print very utilitarian, art-centered things. So if you need a pencil cup, I have just the coolest pencil cup. You're amazing. Does that make sense?
It's just fun to expand on what we do in the classroom, what they do in the classroom, because we get specific time to just do projects and to build things and to grow things, and we just get to take what they're learning in the classroom and just expand on it here and do things that we wouldn't get to do elsewhere.
Do you think you could use 3D printing in all your classes?
Yes, math. Something that measures angles, like the right angles and the acute angles.
Why does Science Spectrum do some of this outreach with schools?
We saw an opportunity to fill a need in our community for bringing these tools, because the laser cutters are $20,000 machines that take a real specialist to use. And not every school has that. There are some makerspaces popping up, but ours is really built into the museum curriculum, and we try our best to tailor our curriculum to the schools that we're going to. I myself was an LISD teacher and actually put things together in the way I learned in LISD. So it was really filling a need that we saw in our community.
That was awesome. Any Lubbock ISD campus can actually visit their website and learn about any other outreach that they have, either through the Fab Lab or others. You can visit the Science Spectrum any day of the week. It's on the South Loop.